So today's tip for all of you is you do not need to trade 5 days a week. What I mean by that is a lot of you're full-time traders. Y'all don't have anything else to do but just trade for a living. Now, with having that responsibility for trading for a living and also earning an income for your family, a lot of you have the tendency to overtrade. Now, some of you may have a mental mindset that you can pick the right trades and trade, but sometimes just sitting down there and you're just watching the charts go up and down and you just see an opportunity arise. Sometimes it's not a real opportunity, it's a half opportunity or an assumed opportunity, but you still want to trade in it. So in order to avoid that, you could take a day off, maybe on a Wednesday during the middle of the week. Mondays and Fridays are when the markets are the most active. So keep that in mind if you ever have to decide on what's the best day to actually stay in the market or keep an eye out on the market. A lot of you that also don't want to trade every day could even look at weekly charts. So maybe look at it once or twice a week. You could still make the same amount of money, but you don't have to invest that much of time and sit like a 9 to 5 job, because trading is a luxury for a lot of you. So you don't have to really be on your computer, always look at the markets 24/7. Unless you're a day trader, then it's different. But even if you are a day trader, my advice to you is pick good days, pick active days that you would like to be invested in the market. Have you heard of the 4-day work week? So consider trading also as, even day trading, as a 4-day work week model. And in doing so, you would be more sharper and active on those 4 days rather than just trading 5 days. Because even if out of the 5, if one day is a losing day, it'll kind of average out your gains for the rest of the day. So stay sharp and stay invested in the market. And by doing that, you will be a more effective trader. So I hope this is useful for you. Do press the like button if you found any value in what I'm sharing with you, and stay tuned for more trading tips coming up very soon.